How to delete your Bybit account. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you wish to delete or deactivate your Bybit account, here is how you can do it. First and foremost, launch your Bybit app and log in using your credentials. Once you have logged in, then tap on your profile, which is located at the top left corner of the screen. After that, tap on the settings icon or the security option displayed. Scroll down a bit and you will see account settings option. Tap on it again and there you will see deactivate and delete option. Tapping on it, you should be redirected to a page explaining the consequences of deactivation, which means you cannot log in the account again, and trading including API and FP trading will also be no longer available or possible. Now that this is done, you have to choose the reason for deactivating your account. And once that is done, you can confirm deactivate this account button from the bottom of the page to confirm. So that's it for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.